gonna die out here. He's trying to bite me. Trying to bite me. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with you, but I know I'm not gonna kill you. I'm pretty sure if I left you here, I'd probably come back tomorrow or the next day when I come to mow this area and you'd be just dead. So, even though I don't know what I'm going to do with you, you're a pretty bird. I really have no idea. Maybe there's a sanctuary or something, or a vet. Hey, he survived the night. There's 5 blackberries, 3 of them are ripe, and then I have those little red berries. I'm not sure what they are, but there's 10 little red berry things. I think they came off a honeysuckle bush. So there's 10 of those, and then there's 3 ripe blackberries, and then 2 not ripe blackberries. Try to keep count to see what it eats, if it eats these. Either he spilled some water or drank some water. I don't see any evidence of it being spilt, but there's definitely half the water's gone. Whenever I'm not looking at him, I can hear him moving around and doing something. He moves around and does things. I don't know what he's doing, but I can hear him moving around. Just chilling. Man, he ate all those berries. Did you eat the worm too? One thing I'm kind of wondering is when he is completely healed, is he just gonna fly all over the place? I should probably get a screen or something for the top of this. He's definitely getting healthier. Alright, I'll get you some more berries. Those green ones, I believe, are grapes. So apparently grape season is late summer, early fall. And I have no idea what those red ones are. I thought they came off a suckleberry bush, but someone told me that suckleberries don't have berries. Or no, suckle, honeysuckle. Honeysuckle. Someone told me that honeysuckle don't have berries. I don't know. Anyways, the bird is eating everything. So he ate everything except for the grapes. I hit the jackpot with blackberries. I really got lucky. There hasn't really been any blackberries this year. In mid-August now, they're pretty much all gone. But I found that branch lying on the ground. And these red berries, those little red berries, I don't know what those are, but he's eating them. He clearly seems to know what to eat and what not to eat because he didn't touch those grapes, which were really hard and not ripe anyways, but he didn't touch those grapes at all. He ate these things because I was a little worried, oh, I hope he's not eating poisonous berries, but I think he knows what to eat. He really likes those blackberries. Oh yeah. He's like, this is actually pretty good. Humans just give you things. You don't have to fly around all day picking these things up. He's doing a pretty good job of turning piles of berries into piles of crap. I wonder if he's the one crapping all over my car. But that's good. That's good he's eating. Obviously, that's good. He's moving around more. I should really put a screen on top of this because I'm going to wake up one morning and find him flying into the windows, flying all around the house. But this is only the second day. I would expect a broken wing to take about a week. The way he's going. Probably sooner. But I could already tell a major difference. He's moving around a lot more, jumping around. Yeah, I should probably put a screen on top of this. But I mean, what the heck, if he's ready to fly, why not just open a window and let him fly right out? I cleaned his bowls and I got some more berries. Give him some water in just a second. He seems to do pretty good. He gets up on the edge of that bowl there. He's looking kind of better overall. It's got his wing is not dangling as much. It's nice and tucked in there where it should be. I know he had a little wound on the edge of it. He is hanging out on that branch there. He likes that. This is the end of day 3. You can see his wing is actually still a little crooked. he died overnight. And I don't have any idea. I mean, he had water, he had plenty of food, he had everything he needed. He seemed like he was doing better, and then just died overnight. There was no indications at all. And there's no indications at all. He wasn't making any noises. He wasn't breathing heavy or wheezing or nothing. He just died. Just woke up this morning and died. So conclusion, birds with broken wings are not likely to survive. That doesn't mean I'm not gonna, if I see another one hopping around on the ground or laying there, I'm still probably gonna try to help it.